Hi everyone, I'm Heather and I've helped thousands of people change their mindset, gain momentum, and transform their lives one simple step at a time. My mentoring is rooted in what I call the 6 spheres of wellness. I know when you all think of wellness, you think about your diet, what you're eating, what you're drinking, and to me, after finally getting my health in order and losing 70 pounds and really feeling better than I had my entire adult life, I began to realize that it's not just about the diet. It's not just about losing weight. It's about so much more. And if we can find harmony and balance between these 6 spheres of wellness, things are going to be a lot better off for you. I want people to understand that being well is not just the number that your scale spits out in the morning when you hop on it. It's not just about rationing out calories every day. It is much more about continued growth and balance between the following things. Are you ready? So, first of all, well, they're in no particular order, okay? But I did take some notes because I didn't want this video to run long. Certainly, this is what I am working with people day to day on all of these things. And so there's much more to it. But let's just take a simple, quick look at the 6 spheres of wellness. Okay. Emotional wellness. Well, this involves processing the ability to feel and express our emotions. It's the ability to love ourselves and to love others. And if we can do this, we can have a sense of fulfillment. And I think that in a sense of just gratitude and grace. Number 2 has to do with your intellectual wellness. And in fact, I designed a whole course on this. It's called the Inspiration Journey. And it is to really achieve wellness, you must be creative. You must be taking time to do inspirational activities. What inspires you? If you spend time doing these, you are going to be much more motivated, and you are going to find that your mind is much more astute. It pays attention. It is much more involved. Just like our body and our physique love exercise. Well, some of us, right? Some of our bodies. Our mind loves it when you find an inspiration well and you are continually feeding it. Number 3 involves the social aspect of wellness, and it includes, showing respect to others, showing respect to yourself, cultivating good relationships, realizing the relationships that no longer serve us, and having the ability to walk away from them. It also involves contributing to our communities and society at large. Number 4 is the spiritual sphere of wellness. It involves possessing a set of beliefs. It doesn't matter what your beliefs are, but you should have them. Those principles and those values will guide you and help you be more successful with the other spheres. When you have some sort of spiritual compass, you will be able to see that your life has meaning and has a purpose. Number 5 involves the physical wellness, the one that we all think of when people say, how is your wellness? Are you well? Be well, all of those things. It encompasses tons of things related to healthy behaviors, including exercise, proper nutrition, overcoming all of those bad habits and sabotaging ways that I know so many people have. The next one has to do, and it's the last one, with your occupational wellness. Doesn't sound very fun, does it? But it involves making use of your gifts. What are your talents? What are your skills? What are you good at? And then through realizing all of that, you will be able to enrich your life and the lives of others, and you'll have a greater sense of happiness and purpose in your life. So, what are you waiting for? I don't think that any one area of these spheres can be achieved without the others. It's a much broader picture to wellness than just diet, my friends. I have a few spots that have opened up in my mentoring circle for change, and I would absolutely love to help you. So come join me. Let's do it. Let's tackle all of this stuff, and let's finally be well, and let's finally believe in ourselves. Thanks so much for tuning in. If you want more information, you want one of those mentoring spots, do yourself a favor and hop on over to my website, heathercentrioni.com. And I'll link all the information down below or up above, depending on where you're watching this. But thank you so much for tuning in. As always, I ask you to be well and believe in you.